Hello, everyone. New day, new teaching, So, right now, I got the most basic of the basics for this effect. It's very simple, very clean. This is the back rooms. I'm in the back rooms. Pixelation, mosaic. It's the same thing. So, real quick, let's add an adjustment layer because we want this effect to be usable on anything. Adjustment layers apply the effects to everything below. We get the mosaic and we drag it onto the adjustment layer. What I usually do is I go down here, I go to effect, I go to mosaic, and then I go here. Let's go to horizontal, right click the horizontal, edit expression. Now what we want to do is this comp dot with enter. So that gives us whatever that image resolution is with, I thought this was a 1080, a 1920 by 1080 image, but I guess not. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the vertical blocks. So let's just copy this, edit the expression, and just put height instead. Wow, that looks exactly like the original image. And now this is where we get the fun part, Now let's add a slider control. Yes. Is to get this value and multiply it by the slider. Actually, no, we don't want to multiply, we want to divide by the slider. Same thing here, divide. We're using this little whip tool here. This is a different one from this one. This parents, this one is for expressions, and we're just dragging it to the slider. And that's it. Now we have a slider that pixelates. That's all I gotta teach. If you go watch this video.